I like this group of pigeons in here because I have the silver, they are Gabby Vanderbilt. I'm sorry, the blue bars, Gabby Vanderbilt. The silver, they are Detroit Bakers. And the dark check in the bar is a Haken clock. Super nice. Produce winners. And the 019 Jansons. The dark check white fly. Right there. That's the 019 Jansen from CBS. Food fed. Feathers in the food. And the splash dark check here, she's a Gordon. And I like this particular group of pigeons on here because already approving racing. And I sent to the futurity race baby from the silvers. And the first round was silver. This second round are blue bars. The mama's a blue bar. Big clap. And I cross it with the Becker. Put a little more power. And I like this. This hen here, she's a Gabi. A half Gabi, a half Becker. Super nice hen. She produced a real well pigeons last year. I made it. I made it when they got there. Gabi. So you're gonna have a 1/4 Becker and 3/4 Gabi. Got two super babies there. Nice. This is a nice hen. I love the hen. And that cat there, man, he's gorgeous. Super powerful. That's his hen, the blue bar, the clock. Produce winner. And I got two babies in Florida for the money race. K-color. When one of my friends there in Florida, I like it. I like it, these well-bred pigeons. They're not been here because I like it the good pigeons. We tested in the basket, and they're still here. Her kids, grandkids. First winner have a Heckencraft, Detroit Becker, Gabby Vanderbilt, and the 019 Jansen, and Mamatis.